Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video is about how we can find GoogieHost Nameservers. Let's get started. When you create a free hosting account on GoogieHost and your order gets successfully accepted, after that you will receive a confirmation email. Open your registered email inbox. There you will find the subject, hosting account activated and ready to use. If you don't find it in your inbox, also check the spam/junk folder. Open the email, scroll down a little. In the lower section of the email, you will see the nameservers. Usually the format looks like this. These are the GoogieHost Nameservers. Copy both nameservers. You will need to update them in your domain provider panel. If you face any issue related to GoogieHost, you can directly raise a support ticket. To raise a support ticket, simply go to the homepage and look for the Open Ticket option. Our professional technical and sales teams will review your request and provide you with a proper solution as quickly as possible. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you. If you have found this helpful, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel.